Hello everybody, welcome back. Now we are going to continue with the program that we already have about picking teams. And it's kind of good, it kind of works. We kind of have our teams picked, but there's a handful of things that I don't like. First off, this only works when there are 4 players on a team. So if there was anything other than 4 players on a team, this program is not going to work. That's my first problem that I want to deal with today. So let's say I have this, it's working fine, but then all of a sudden 11 wants to come along. So now when I run this program, we have team A has these people, team B has these people, and somebody's left behind. Looks like Will's left behind. Oh no, what happened to Will? So we want to make sure everyone's together so no one gets kidnapped and brought back to some weird place. So what we want to do is first let's look. We know the length of people is going to be the whole list, however many is in there. I'll say total length is the length of people. Now we don't care about the total length. We just want half the people, or roughly half. So I'm going to call this half length, and I'm going to divide by 2. Now, where I'm going to use this is in the 4in range, and this has to be a whole number. So I'm going to do divided by 2. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do half length, and so half of the length is going to go here. Now this might look like it's not doing anything, because if we have 5, this will just be 2 because it goes down to the nearest value below our decimal, and that's not going to do anything. So what I want to do is I'll call something the other half, which might be a little bit off, not exactly half, which I'm going to take my length of people, that's all of them, and then I'm going to subtract out my half length. So this will cover for if there's ever any odd circumstance. So I'm going to have the first one go the half length, and this one be the other half. Now, let's cross our fingers and hope this works. I'm going to run this and look at team A. That works. Team B. And that works. Now we can divide people in however many groups we want. We could have any number of people come along, and then it should work.